What's up, guys? I'm JoystickPRO back to you with another video. Playing with Dylan. Who is that guy over there? I'm JoystickPRO playing TNT Wars. Let's do this, Dylan. Let's do this. All right, so TNT Wars. If you guys don't know what it is, then yeah, I don't know what to say about you guys. All right, are you in creative, boy? Alright, so TNT Wars, we're trying to break the wall down. We are in creative, so...
It's super hard to build in survival,
yeah,
but don't worry. Once we are done building our cannon, we will be in survival.
Yep. And it's going to be awesome.
We all know who's the better TNT guy is.
Yeah, it's me. Yeah.
We are getting our supplies from the chest on what we have. We are not allowed to just get, like, bedrock blocks.
Yep.
We're getting it from our chest. I hope you know that.
Yeah. Alright, so no bedrock. Okay. Bang! Alright, so let's get, a few ladders up in here. Ladders! Redstone, if you're not a subscriber, then subscribe and like. Let's try to get 15 likes. Woohoo!
And yes, I'm not super good, alright? I'll admit this.
Yeah, you're trashy as dast. Yeah.
I think he's trying to embarrass me, guys. But you know what time it is? It's time
for the comeback of Dylan. Fox02 is his gamer tag. Go and follow him and mess up his Xbox. Yep. Alright, hopefully you can hear Dylan. He's on right now.
Yep, I'm on.
And I'm going to build high up in the air. Why did I just get like 16 of everything? I can just get like the blocks from this place and just like destroy you. I thought we were in survival for a second. And I failed.
I'd like you guys to know that whoever this Dylan guy is, he needs to stop calling me that because that is not my name.
Oh yeah. Wait, who's Dylan? Wait, who's Dylan? You keep saying Dylan. Fox02? Okay. Alright. Nobody cares. I do. And then you just come here. I do. I hate people who do that. Alright, TNT walls. Alright, so how far are you on your cannon, boy?
I'm like halfway-ish.
Decent. You're
Hey,
decent.
why are you spying on me, bro?
I'm not spying on you. I'm building my cannon. That's what I'm doing.
Later.
No, I need a slab, and I'm not going back to the chest, so I am just going to treat.
You got it.
What?
Not cheating.
I'm not cheating. Nope. Not cheating.
Heard it. I heard it.
No, you didn't. You didn't hear anything. Never cheat any in my life. I don't have PvP skills because I'm on Kindle. Alright, I'm almost done. I just need to put water here and load these up with TNT.
Boy, I'm not even halfway done. But the
thing is that Dylan doesn't know how to make TNT cannons.
No, the thing is, I'm making mine fully automated.
Well, that could be good. Whoops. Come on, boy. Put it in the dispenser. Thank you. When you hold down on a block and then you try to put it in like an inventory or a chest or dispenser or anything that you open, it doesn't work anymore. Have you noticed that?
Have you noticed what?
Oh Oh, it's 12 in the morning, guys. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna put 45 in all these, so it might take a little bit. And we're going to put this in time lapse, even though I can't put it in time lapse because yeah. Joystick Pro is singing, and you guys might have some cringy faces on your face when you hear my singing because it's amazing, right? Isn't it amazing, Dylan? Or who's Dylan?
Yeah, exactly. Why do you keep calling me that?
I don't know. You're Foxa too, right?
Totally.
Or Ito Spaniard? Who's playing with me right now? I don't know, but I'm just gonna fire this cannon and bang!
No!
Oh, no, oh, that's gonna malfunction and it's going to kill everything. Yep, yep. Yeah, I forgot to do something, boys and girls.
Add the TNT.
I forgot to, yeah, that's embarrassing.
No.
Yeah, that's embarrassing.
You wanna ask yourself? What?
Alright. I forgot to put these repeaters all the way ticked. It's like Dylan's doing his own thing right now, aren't you? Alright, so I'm going to make this dispenser. Alright, slab. Okay, come on. It broke on accident. I forgot to make these all ticked. Alright, I need my redstone. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. I feel like Dylan, you gonna fire any second yet?
Stop calling me Dylan. Who the heck is Dylan?
Yeah. It's not funny anymore.
Dang it. Oh! I fired.
You didn't break through the wall. Good.
Messed up.
Good, because I messed up too. See, today we're gonna be noobs. Up. Yes. All right, that one's going to work, boys and girls. Are you kidding me?
Upgrading the wall.
Are you kidding me right now?
Alright.
Hey, no, cheater! You can't upgrade the wall.
I'm not.
You just said that.
Yeah, because I wanted to make you think.
Yeah, sure, Dylan, sure. Oh, wait, who's Dylan?
Stop calling me that, really.
Who is Dylan?
Exactly!
I don't know who is Dylan, boys.
And stop calling me that!
Sorry, I'm thinking of a friend. I'm just in the habit of saying his name, because I always hang out with him.
Who would that friend be?
This guy's very dumb.
Why'd you call me dumb?
I didn't say anything. I don't know what you're talking about. You might be going crazy right now, I don't know.
Alright, good. Just make sure you don't freak out because I'm firing.
Okay, that's fine. Nobody cares. And if this malfunctions again, I give up and I'm gonna rage quit and nobody cares.
Oh, I'm gonna set a timer for 5 minutes, just so you guys know, because that's kind of our deal here. But we only have 5 more minutes to build our cannons, and yeah, I'm setting a timer.
No, you're not.
Alright, let me just escape here.
Wait, so we have 5 minutes to build?
Yeah, because, like...
Yeah, because we're not doing anything because we're nerds. Like, I really don't know how to make a cannon.
Guys,
I really don't know how to make a cannon. And I don't know why we're doing a TNT war when we don't know how to make a cannon. Like, you need to know how to make a cannon before you start making TNT wars. Like, I'm done.
Why?
Alright, I'm not going to put barely anything in here because I don't feel like doing that. Okay.
He's a slacker, just so you know.
Alright. If this malfunctions, I
I will
swear.
be happy.
It finally did malfunction! Wow! I'm a successful dude! I think the slab messed it up. I don't know why that is. Okay.
Are you launching?
Yep, I'm launching. I'm almost breaking through the wall. Almost. I think there's like one more layer.
Hopefully, I need to just test this out real quick. Oh, God!
Did you see it?
Wait, no.
Did you see it?
No. I did a newbie move.
I can't open the wall. Oh, I can't get past. Ah.
I just did a super newbie.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this and this and put some.
If you guys are watching mine, which you can't,
Do what you can.
you know how newbie that was? What I just did?
Yeah, I can't see what you're doing, so.
That's good. But if you did,
Oh, it's making it kind of. What's sad, it's going high instead of going forward. Which is not what I want. Like I can't break through this wall.
what?
Oh! Broke through it. Broke through it. Broke through it.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, it's an upside down creeper head. Look at that. He's just like, hi, what's up, guys?
Where?
Woo!
Oh, gosh.
Oh.
We're loading up the cannons. It doesn't matter if it's ready yet. Load. Set. Fire.
That might go through the hole. Oh, for what?
Furlet. Ferdinand.
I need more power. Alright, I need more power.
Yeah, me too.
So what I'm gonna do is a genius move.
I need a lot more power. Power is key.
Woo! I'm trying to break through this wall, and I think I can do it if I just do this. Alright, so I malfunctioned a little bit. I think it's because I put a slab. But hey, we're being successful. I should probably build multiple cannons and then just like press them all. I feel like that's gonna malfunction. Ooh. Oh, wow, that was actually really good. And that actually might hit you.
It shouldn't.
Ooh. Super late.
It's like it got blood on the floor.
Oh.
Yes! Don't blow anything up. Yeah! That was very successful.
Ooh. Oh, it got to your side! Did that do anything? Oh, God. Alright, we're making it through that hole right there that I made. It goes through, and then it explodes. Did I just destroy your cannon?
It was already destroyed.
Alright, I'm gonna keep firing then. So, yeah, it definitely made more power what I did, and it definitely is going through the hole.
I just shot one. Yes!
I'm gonna wait a little bit, and then I'm going to do this. I'm actually going to do this.
Yeah, you are a better redstone genius than I am.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to build this. Alright, I'm going to build.
I haven't brung out my secret weapon.
You don't got one.
Alright, that just made me even more angry. Let's go. If you guys know what the drill is, yeah.
Ooh. Sounds
Yes.
good.
You guys know what the drill is.
Yeah, I do. I actually do. Oh, I do.
This is copied from a channel that you don't watch.
Oh, sure. Oh my gosh, this TNT was is gonna be the worst TNT was because we can't even break through this wall. Oh my goodness. Alright, this career is going to have to be better with my Minecraft.
Right. Let's place down these boys.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is this. Alright, boys, this could be awesome.
Boy.
Come on. Alright, I am so hyped. I'm so hyped for another video. Alright. Come on.
It's already starting up.
Alright, cool.
It's getting closer.
Oh, flip. Don't tell Dylan, guys.
And then let me grab this.
Wow, that made like a perfect rectangle. What in the what? What in the what? When it's up like what? When it's up like what? Yup, what? Oh my goodness. This video is going to be trashy. I don't know why, because we are noobs. Like, comment comments below, how fast can you guys build a TNT cannon, and how efficiently, and make sure you do a TNT wars with yourself. So let me put some TNT in here. Working out. I'm draining out of a few TNT, so let me put some more.
Bottom layer, finish. Top layer.
Alright, so let me put some water before everything dies.
Like snap. Let's grab some TNT. Oh, and 4 stacks.
I feel like that's gonna blow up everything. Or not. That is actually pretty successful. Hey, get on your side, boy, you wanna fight?
You're like right where I am.
Oh, I'm going through then.
What?
Oh, that's so close! I saw that. No!
Boy, let's go! Fire!
Have a nice day.
What? What just happened?
Oh, did yours malfunction, little bunny? Boy, get on your side!
Yours is so bad.
Mine is good.
Let's do a boink. Let me do this.
Wait, why is it not going as far now?
Death. And then we're death.
Hold on a second. I'm going to put even more power on this thing. This is going to be a long video because we do not know how to make teams again. Oh. I destroyed some of your land. Get wrecked. Oh, flip. What the? Gee, what the? Oh, have fun time malfunctioning. Yep.
Alright.
Why do you stay there? Come on, boy. Alright. Hopefully this reaches him. I don't think anybody's going to win this match.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Number one, because we're in creative.
Hey, I saw that! Cheater! Cheat!
Boink! Lord!
You're a cheater. No! You're such a cheater! Alright, looks like I won because Dylan's a cheater, and I'll see you guys later in a brand new... Hold on. You emptied out my dispenser too.
And go look at your chest.
Okay. Yep. Okay.
Good game, guys. Now...
What?
Live stream.
Hold on. No, we're not done yet. We are not done yet. Nope.
Yeah, everything's blowing up.
Hold on a second. We are not done here. What's your name?
I don't remember.
Oh, I put a spin. Alright. Video is not done yet because...
He's gonna try to kill me.
Yes, I am. Is your game mode in survival?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Sure it is.
Yeah, it is.
Can't touch it. Alright, that's gonna do it for today's video. TNT Wars. That was
Amazing.
yeah. That wasn't even a TNT War, so that is a tutorial kind of how you do a TNT cannon, and you can see how bad we are.
Alright, well, we'll
See you later. Subscribe, like, and make sure you check out my channel and Command Central. See ya!